Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I'm cooking again. It's your guy, Ken. Here we go. It's holiday season, y'all. Holiday time. You know what you have to have. And you know what you have to do. Turkey time. Turkey time. You know how we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it out there on the expert grill. And we're gonna simplify this thing. So where anybody can do it. Anybody. Now if you don't have a pellet grill, follow the exact same instructions. Slap in that oven. Same thing, same temperature, same everything, okay? We're gonna break it down today. We've got some injection. This is the Gourmet Warehouse Orleans Cajun injection. So we're gonna give that a try. Chicken rub, that's it. A little salt for the brine. You know we have to brine it. So we're gonna brine and inject it today. A little cooking spray for the outside. Once you take it out the brine, dry it off, spray it, boom, crispy skin. Okay, cooks, stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey cooks, we back. Like I told you, simple. It's my brine pot. Now, if you have a cooler, you can get a real nice oven bag or some, they make brine bags. If you want to go that far, that's fine. I don't do this so much, maybe twice a year I do a turkey. So I'm not gonna invest anything in that. I do have a cooler, but I'm not doing it. I use this brine pot because we get, this turkey's 11 pounds. I call it a more muscular chicken. Okay, it's not that big. If you're doing a big turkey, yes, you're gonna need something else. But if you have a big pot that you cook in, you can use it as your brine pot. Okay, cooks? Simple. Okay, got about a half cup of salt. Half cup salt. Okay, put that in there. So we will use a little thyme. And this is all option. You can just do salt and water. Or you can buy a fancy brine mixture. They sell them. Got the thyme, got the sage. Okay? Got the sage. Shout out to Dump Master, if you know what that joke means. Okay, that's it. We're gonna get some water in here, stir it around, get the bird in there, okay? Stay with your guy. All right, cooks, we got our bird in our brine mixture. Get our lid on it. Now, if you have to, you might smash down. If you don't fit through, you know how we do cooks on this channel. We're gonna ride. We're gonna ride. Now, it should be closed. I'm gonna work on that. Maybe I'll staple it. But the main point is, get this in your refrigerator, okay, cooks? So I use this pot, it fits in the refrigerator, okay? I need something a little taller, maybe something 2 inches. You can use a bucket with a plastic bag. You can use anything you want, okay, cooks? The idea is to get it in that brine, get it somewhere cool in the refrigerator. If you're using a cooler, put some ice in the cooler to maintain a lower temperature. Under 40 degrees is where you want to be, okay, cooks? Now, the rule of thumb on the brine is an hour per pound. This 11 pounder, 11 hours. Okay, cooks? So this is what you want to do the day before prep. Okay? Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, here we are. We out the brine. All right? Pull it back out. 11 hours. Let it do overnight if you can. If you can do 10 hours, do 10 hours. But do the most time. Do the longest. English is your friend. Do the longest brine that you can. Okay, cooks? Here we go. We have this. I'll tell you, Gourmet Warehouse Orleans Cajun injection. We're gonna get it going. Little pro tip, put it in something else. You know why? Because if you don't use a whole bottle, you don't want to put that needle back in this jar. You may be able to use this at another time. Okay, so don't put that back in that, you know, put your needle in the jar here. Okay? Let's see what we're doing. Oh, wait a minute. Now, it's like intravenous. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling, cooks. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. A little bubble. Maybe in the corner. There we go. Okay, cooks. I'm gonna start in the breasts. Okay. See what we got? Poke it. Put it in there. It's gonna blow up. Oh, that's nice. Very nice, cooks, okay? Let's repeat. Like I said, the kit comes with the needle, excuse me, syringe. Needles, don't say drug addict. Don't say drug addicts. Syringe. Blow it up. Oh, get it in there. Nice. Nice, cooks. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Oh, hold on. Okay. So 3 right here. 3 on the breast. Oh, it's blowing up like Botox. It looks like an old soap opera star. Okay, cooks. Come on. Come on, cooks. Now we do. One in the drum. Oh, you gonna get any in it? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, secure the perimeter. Look at that. Look at that. That's gonna be good. I'm gonna get one in the thigh. Cause the thigh is the test. On a turkey, cooks, the thigh is always the major test is the thigh. You get your thigh right, your turkey gonna be right. Thigh right here. Okay, cooks? Boom. Thigh. Get it in there. Nice. Boom. Fold it under. Okay, cooks? We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 3 to the breast, 2 to the drum, 2 to the thigh, 1 to the wing. Add that up equals, it's a math equation. I don't know. We're back. Finish the brine. We just injected. You've seen it. I'm going to pat it dry. Pat it. Leave a little seasoning on that because why not? Take it off. Some people do rinse it. I'm not doing that. But this is for your crispy skin. Crispy and attempted crispy. Okay? It might not be super crispy. It's going to be better if you didn't do it. So, due diligence. Did I say due diligence? Did I just say due diligence? Oh my goodness. I might have made it a little bit, yeah. I might have made it. Homie said due diligence. Okay? Okay. All right. Pat it. Game. Spray game. Now, if you want to use butter or what I have, you do that. We're doing this. Crispy. 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 Spin it. Spin it. Spin it. Crispy. Okay, coach. Sprayed it up. All right. Chicken rub. Simple. You can use whatever you like here. Some people just use salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Whatever. I'm going to use a little chicken rub. Okay. And we've got that sprayed over here too. So and here. And lift it up. You can lift it up. Get that thigh again. Everybody cares about the breasts. Pause. Okay, cooks? Okay. That on there. Okay, we're gonna lift it up. Get that drum, Disney style. Shout the flower. Get that wing game together. Nice, nice. Now, if you want to use a little sage, a little thyme, I might do a little sage on it, you know, just for the sport of it. Little sage. Hold on. Wait for me. Not too much, because this will burn. Okay, coach? Not too much. So I'm gonna put it in my hand first and sprinkle it around. Okay? A little bit. Just a slight. It does add a little flavor. Some people say it will burn. Now, it will burn if you cook a long time. Okay, but this is gonna be a pretty quick cook. I'm anticipating maybe 3 hours, 3.5, the most 4. We're doing 325, cooks. 325. So a little sage, little thyme. All right, a little thyme. Put your hand first. Put it on there. Smooth it out. Okay, but not crazy. We're not gonna go crazy on this. Okay, nice. Right in this gap right here. Nice. Flavor for days. Hashtag flavor for days. You ready to go on the smoker, cooks? At this point, your pellet smoker, well, you should have turned it on before you pulled this out the refrigerator. I didn't say refrigerator. Shout out to me. 325. We're going outside. Put it on the smoker. Stay what you got. I'm cooking. Hey, cooks. Here we are. We out here. We rocking. Let's get it on there. We'll breast side to the hot box. We bent our wings back. We're not spreading our wings today. Straight in the middle. There's the sizzle. She's hot. Get it on there. Cooks. So Thanksgiving, Christmas, holiday, whatever, holiday, Kwanzaa, anything, whatever you want. Holiday season. Get your turkey out here, man. Do it fast, simple like I'm telling you. I'm showing you how to do it. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. At the end, look at this turkey. Look at this turkey. Jive turkey. No. This is a good turkey. Sucker. Look at this thing, man. We're going for the breast. We're going to carve it out. We're going to carve it out. We're going to carve it out. We'll carve it out. Get that leg. Man. Now, check my other video for how to carve a turkey. See, some people I don't take that plastic off. That plastic has use. Very useful. See, that helped me. But we're gonna take this. Treat it like a chicken. Treat it like a big healthy chicken. Leg quarter game. Leg quarter game. The leg. Delicious. Go to Disney. This leg costs $42. Turkey leg costs $32 at Disney. Get your whole turkey. Okay, cooks. Whole turkey. That's $32 at Disney. Okay, but we're gonna do yes. Yes. Not that yet. Not pause. Not yes. Yes. Okay, cooks. Ooh, it's hot. Hot fire. Hot fire. We're gonna. Oh man, let me move it over. Let me move it over. Cooks. You don't cook it again. You know we don't. You know we don't edit. Cook this. Get this breast off there. Look at the breast. I ain't got no. Look at the breast. Cooks. Boom. Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Skin's on. Oh man. We're gonna slice these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep slicing it. Taste test. Called it. Let's go. Let me get that. Let me get that. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. That is actually real good. Show you how to do a turkey. Boom. Breast, skin game. Another one. That's how good it is. Give me another piece. Let me evaluate. That's good. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Close. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again.